I don't like too much, but they're still there before. Yeah. No more. No. No. No more. No more. No more, no more, no more. No more? No more, no more whitefish.
মাতৃ তো বাগরিত হয় মাতৃ মাছ সুন্দর মাতৃ
How much 1 kilo? Huh?
4 big.
Oh, 4
3 kilo 11 big.
No, whitefish. Never mind. It's fresh. How much 1 kilo?
2
Okay, no problem. Then I will buy the, the shop of the Indian, there is the Philippine product there. They're in the front of the vegetable section. I think it's there. No, Philippine product. The one, no, black beans. The black beans, the one put in the tent. Taus, yeah. Yeah, this one.
This one you want?
Yeah. That is from where?
Huh?
From where?
This one Bahrani. Bahrani.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, Bahrani है ना?
Bakan eh.
Till 3BD 400.
Only 3 BD. You remove the 300. I don't have 300. Only 3 BD. 3 BD no? No? Discount? Or you remove the head so that become 3 BD?
This one come in 1 kg come in 200 fill for me.
Oh, okay. You cut.
Okay.
You cut. Remove the skin, okay? I remove the shield. Yeah. Yeah.
And cutting? No.
Cut.
How many pieces you want?
3 BD 300.
No, this one. How many pieces you want?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. Ito ang palengke sa Barin ng fish section. Ang bangus nila dito is yan, ganyang kalaki. Ang laki, pero we'll see kung masarap. Masyadong malaki. Ilan mo ba kung ilang kilo yan? 3 kilo. Ito din is, ano bang pangalan nito yan? Hindi ko alam kung mga pangalan ng isda. Yan ang masarap, steam. Kung sa Chinese is steam yan, masarap. (9:30) na kasi kaya hindi masyadong maraming tao. Maraming mga klase.
कितने नहीं है पूरा कंपनी है ओके मागरा कौन सा चाहिए तो
थोड़ा इससे छोटा वाला थोड़ा निकाल
Sobrang nila binababad nila ng tubig para pag ikilo nila ang daming may dagdag na kilo. Squid. Sarap din yan, steam.
ये बावन है कौन कौन बुलाने
दे देगा
6 pieces. Yan na yung bangos na binili ko.
दो चाहिए वो रखो
Pa-chop-chop natin ng
छोटा वाला.
na pieces.
इसको छोटा वाला है वो बड़ा है ओके ऐसे नहीं
That's mine?
no this
That one? Okay.
yeah already I
Okay.
happy
Because only 6 pieces. Only 6 pieces.
ఉంటావు కదా